Hello student, hope you all are fine and I hope you all are doing your classworks and homeworks regularly. Okay, so students, as you know, we are doing decimal chapters and today our topic is conversions from smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, so I'm taking here example express as rupees using decimals. So first example I am taking 75 paise. You have to convert it into rupees. Okay, because now you are converting paise to rupees. It means smaller to bigger unit you are converting. When we convert smaller to bigger, we always divide. If we convert from bigger to smaller, we always multiply. This you have done in your lower classes. Okay, so first step is to write their relations. Okay, so we are converting paise to rupees. It means first we will write their relation. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So because we are converting from smaller to bigger, so we will divide this time. So 75 will be divided with their relation. 75 divided with 100. So convert it into decimal. You know it how to convert. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, so decimal will be after 2 digits. 1 2. We always start from here. Okay, 1 2. So answer is 0 decimal 75 rupees. 75 rupees. Clear? One more example I am taking here. So 50 rupees 90 paise, you have to convert it into paise. Now if you see students, 50 rupees, these are already in rupees, so we will not change it. We will just change 90 paise into rupees. Again it is smaller to bigger, so first write down relation. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 50 rupees as it is, because we are converting it into rupees only, so these are already rupees, so no need to change this will be written as it is, plus 90 paise. 90 will be divided with 100 because their relation is of 100. Okay, so 90 divided with 100, 100 place value is there, so 0 decimal 90. Okay, so when you add, this is whole part, this is decimal part, so it will become 50 decimal 90 rupees. Okay, just add these two. Clear? Next you have to try these sums based on these two examples. Next is express as meters using decimal. So method is same. Okay, just units are different. Here we have to convert centimeters into meters. Again we are changing from smaller to bigger unit. Okay, so statement is 6 centimeter. So what is the relation between meter and centimeter? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this 6 will be divided with 100. Okay, so 100th place value, 6 will be on 100th place, 10th place is 0, or you can put decimal by counting the zeros. 1 2, so 1 2. Okay, one digit is less, so we will put here 0. So for more understanding, I am taking one more example. Next is 9 meter 7 centimeter. So we are converting into meters. So these 9 meters are already in meters, so we will not change it. So first step is to write down the relation, then 9 meter as it is plus 7 centimeters. So 7 will be divided with their relation. So 9 meter plus this will become 0 decimal 07 because it is divided with 100. So when we add, so 9 plus